Hi, very good evening. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Gubbi Cross, that is Bhairathi, very close to Gubbi Cross, in between Sallapuria Satwa Gold Summit and Purva Palm Beach, off the Gubbi main road, and very close to Kuvempu layout, in right in Bhairathi. So there is G+2 house for sale, which is with luxury interiors and very premium construction. 25 feet road. So it is dimension is 35. It is 35 and depth is 35. It is something around 1225 square feet, and built up area is 4000 square feet. So on the ground floor you have 2 BHK parking, first floor 2 BHK, second floor 2 BHK. Then on the terrace floor you have one bed, one room plus one washroom. So can be used as storeroom or one RK. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is the parking area, and this location, it has been sandwiched between Sallapuria Satwa Gold Summit and Purva Palm Beach, and very close to upcoming Nimhans 2. So here you have borewell and sump, and for future Kaveri connection they have left the pipe. So this will be the parking. So one borewell and one sump tank and anti-skid tiles, then total granite, and building is east facing, and you have another entrance from here, east facing entrance, 2 BHK in ground floor, and here you have total gas connection pipelines 1, 2, 3 for all the floors, and UPS connection is there for ground floor. So this is ground floor 2 BHK. Total teak is being used. So this is the living area, hand wash area, then you have kitchen utility area, then here you have 2 bedrooms with both attached washrooms. Living area, this is kitchen, and here you can use as dining area, and you have a hand wash area here, and here a small utility area is there. You have all Jaguar fittings. And windows, if you see, all are of teak wood. So this will be the ground floor living area, kitchen, utility area. Then here you have 2 bedrooms with attached washroom. Very good interiors has been done. So you have washroom as Jaguar and Hindware fittings. Good quality is being used for construction. So this is 1 bedroom with attached washroom on the ground floor. So here you have another bedroom with attached washroom. You have cupboards. Same Jaguar and Hindware fittings. So this is ground floor 2 BHK, quick view. You have living area, kitchen, dining area, then hand wash area, 2 bedrooms with attached washroom. And this side you have one entry, and here you have parking and with setbacks all around. So let's go to the first floor. First floor and second floor is same. Both are 2 BHK, similar setup. So I'll be showing you first floor with you can understand second floor in same setup. So both you have east facing, all the three you have east facing entry. So this is first floor, east facing, 2 BHK. So here you have puja room, then the side dining area, living area, then here you have kitchen with hand wash area, and the side kitchen, utility area. Here both bedrooms. So living area, kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and here puja room. So this is first floor, 2 BHK, and this is the kitchen area. And here you have utility area. And here you have 2 bedrooms, both are attached washroom. Total interiors is being done, very good quality of material is being used. So here you have washroom, same fittings of Jaguar and Hindware. And this is another bedroom. And windows, you have mesh in few windows, one side. So same setup will be for second floor. Even here you have mesh on window. So this is first floor, 2 BHK, quick view. East facing entrance, living area, puja room, dining area, then kitchen, utility area, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, both with attached washroom. So let's go to second floor. You have same setup in second floor. East facing, same setup. I will not be showing inside. It is similar, no changes. So you can consider as same as first floor. Above this you have terrace, that is with one bedroom. Secured entry. So this is terrace. So So below tank you have room and washroom. Here they have given washing area. This is one washroom. Here you have one bedroom, storeroom or bedroom. So you have total here 2 tanks and here one. This can be set up for solar. So locality wise, you can see this side as Purva Palm Beach. Right opposite to that you are going to get Nimhans phase 2, and this side you have Sallapuria Sattva Gold Cement, and here you have the Goel and Co apartment right on Hennur main road. This right next to Sallapuria Sattva you have Decathlon. Then after that you have Big Brisky. So it is sandwiched between Sallapuria Sattva Gold Cement and Purva Palm Beach. So this is totally built on 35 by 30, 35,225, 4,000 square feet built up area. Ground first, second, all three you have 1 BHK. Then on top floor you have one tank room, 1 bedroom. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.